Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If your Wi-Fi signal doesn't reach every room in your home, this video is for you. In this easy setup guide, you'll learn how to pair your Gorzhesua Wi-Fi Extender with your existing router using the WPS feature. Follow along as I explain every step of the installation process, from powering on the extender to optimizing its placement for maximum performance. Whether you're setting up the device for the first time or reconnecting it after a reset, this guide will help you get connected quickly. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First of all, plug the Gorzhesua Wi-Fi Extender into a power outlet near your main router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power indicator becomes stable. Do not press any buttons while the device is starting. Find the WPS button on your router. Depending on the router model, the button may be located on the front panel or back panel. Press the WPS button on the router once. Many routers keep the WPS feature active for approximately 2 minutes, giving you enough time to connect the extender. You may notice the WPS light blinking on the router. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Gorzhesua Wi-Fi Extender. The extender's LED light should start blinking, indicating that it is trying to establish a connection. Wait 1 to 3 minutes while the extender communicates with the router. When the connection is successful, the signal light becomes stable. The Wi-Fi LED stops blinking. The extender automatically copies the router's wireless settings. After the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between the router and the area with poor Wi-Fi coverage. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.